Hello, biscuits. What a spooky, frightening season we find ourselves in. Terrifying to the utmost degree, with ghosts rumbling by the door, tapping on the window. Tap, tap, tap. You never know what frightful thing will come about and find you. No matter where you look, no matter where you hide, ghouls are out in force. So, how do we stay safe from the ghosties? How do we turn our homes into sanctuaries during All Hallows Eve? I love having fun with my homemaking this time of year. You biscuits know that to me, homemaking is a beautiful art form. That it is about creating a cozy, safe haven for your whole family to be able to really grow and bloom within, right? It's the ultimate garden that you're tending to. So this time of year, I stack up my pumpkins, I get on my twinkle lights, and I try to make it magical. That's one of the ways I fight off the ghoulish, fearful season. If you want to hear more about my suggestions for season-affected disorder, which is perhaps the most terrifying of all, I have a video over, I'll link it down in the description box, on my main channel. But today, I just want to talk about homemaking during the spookiest season. And that includes, dare I say it, going into the holiday season. That's why I put on my fancy party dress for you. Because sometimes it's even more terrifying to go through the holidays than it is to survive Halloween. So something that I like to add is seasonal scents. And I'm not saying go out and join an MLM that sells essential oils. No, those are generally very bogus. But no offense to those that follow it. I know people get really passionate about it, but I'm like, I'm scam. But you can do beautiful scents in your home. I love to bake pumpkin bread. Oh yeah. Apple pie. You can make apple cider on the stove, and it will make your whole house smell like heaven. It is so good. Oh, you can put out just natural potpourri of cinnamon sticks with little dried orange slices that you can make yourself for really cheap, like for less than $5. You can do your whole house with these. It's awesome. It makes it smell delicious. If you like candles, there are 1,000,001 scented candles. I find a lot of scented candles set off my allergies, so I like to go the natural route where I'll do unscented candles, and then I will just cook really great smelling foods, so you can bake a delicious meal in the oven that is just going to smell succulent all evening long. Ooh. You know what else is delightful? Pastries. That's right, I'm talking about more bacon. Bake delicious pastries every week. Your home will be warm, it'll smell great. Everyone's tummy will be so happy, and a happy tummy keeps away the ghoulish spooks. Another thing I add in this time of year is, you guessed it, blankets. Do I have a throw blanket problem? No, definitely not. Not me. I wouldn't own like 4 throw blankets per room. Is that right? I'm not even gonna do the math. I might own more than 4. This includes like bed blankets. I'm not just saying throw blankets. Throw blankets, yes. Did you biscuits see my haul where I got that new knitted blanket? It is delightful. It's like another baby for me, only it doesn't spit up on me or complain and sass talk me. So, I mean, maybe blankets are even better than kiddos. I don't know. You tell me, parents. So I love including these little tidbits. I love getting in great little throw pillows that make me happy, that make my family happy. Play with textures, play with materials and colors that just make your home a bright, cheery, happy place during a cool and spooky time of year. Now, if we want to include cleaning, because we all know I spend all my waking moments thinking about cleaning or cleaning, I have decided I need to calm down about the cleaning. I've been doing some really big deep cleans, and I think it has stressed me out that my house is messier than I would normally keep it. So I need to like relax, calm myself down. I don't need to be type A about this. I think I need to relax about it. But when I'm cleaning this time of year, I like to do some seasonal music. Oh yeah, a little something spooky. You never know what kind of tunes you need. I also like to declutter in the fall. Hence why I've been typing and stressing about it, which is not my normal. I'm pretty laid back. And about this time of year just makes me really want to declutter, toss out, not be a hoarder. I did a giant dump run, which is fantastic. Like, so much stuff I didn't even know I was holding on to for no reason. So this is a great time of year to kind of think about emotionally, why are you holding on to stuff, right? What kind of stuff can you get rid of, give away, throw away, dump, declutter, sell online? What can you not hold on to, and why are you holding on to things you are? I was surprised. There was just stuff I just hadn't bothered to look at. Like, there was an entire cabinet I just hadn't gone through in maybe like 2 years. And I went through, and most of it I thought, oh, most of this is just like half burnt candles and mostly empty jar of seasoning. It's just random things that I was holding on to, you know? It feels really emotionally great. I talk about that on Patreon, how powerful cleaning is for our emotions, but it also just feels nice in the house. It's a good vibe to then slide into the fancy dress holiday season. Oh my god, I can't wait to do some holiday dress. Even if we're just going to dress up at home, I'm going to do some hauls for you, some try-ons. I can't resist. Last year I did not dress up at all, and this year I'm just going to prance around the house in my tiara and my jewels and but nothing else. Okay, I can't put that on YouTube, but I should put that on my Patreon. I'm excited for the holidays. Yeah, I need that. It's going to get me through this crazy time of year. Okay, biscuits. I will see you in the next video. I'll see you up on Patreon, because I know, biscuits, that you all signed up over there, because there have been so many hellos for the first time. I love seeing you over there. Hope you enjoyed the live chat we did. That was so much fun. I did an all gift live chat. That was saucy fun. See you in the next one. Love y'all. Homemaking hugs. Don't be too scared and spooky this time of year. Instead, be fabulous.